Mohenjo-daro minus 2500 BCE. Mohenjo-daro, meaning Mound of the Dead, was a magnificent and advanced city of the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban civilizations. This city flourished around 2500 BCE and is considered one of the first developed cities in the world due to its modern urban planning, drainage system, trade relations, and cultural advancements. Located on the banks of the Indus River in present-day Sindh, Pakistan, Mohenjo-daro was a thriving urban center. In 1922, archaeologist R.D. Banerjee discovered its remains, which revealed an astonishing ancient society. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro depict a city that was once at the height of its prosperity but eventually declined over time. The reasons for its downfall remain a mystery, yet its archaeological remains serve as a testament to a glorious chapter in human history. Chapter 1: Discovery and Excavation. In 1922, R.D. Banerjee excavated a mysterious mound along the Indus River, uncovering the remains of a lost ancient city. Later, British archaeologist Sir John Marshall continued the excavation and confirmed that Mohenjo-daro was a major center of the Indus Valley Civilization. During the excavation, well-planned streets, houses, bathing areas, an advanced drainage system, and other significant structures were discovered, proving that this civilization was among the most advanced societies of its time. Chapter 2: Urban Planning and Lifestyle. One of the most astonishing aspects of Mohenjo-daro was its modern urban planning. The city was built in a grid-like pattern with wide streets, brick houses, and an excellent drainage system. Houses were 2 to 3 stories tall with ventilated windows, courtyards, and wells. A great bath was discovered, likely used for religious or social ceremonies. Chapter 3: Economy and Trade. Mohenjo-daro was a commercial hub where people engaged in local and international trade. Seals found in the ruins suggest that the city had trade relations with Mesopotamia, modern Iraq, Iran, and Central Asia. Chapter 4: Religion and Culture. The people of Mohenjo-daro were possibly nature worshippers and worshipped deities. Excavations have revealed priest-like statues, religious symbols, and the famous priest-king statue. Chapter 5: Decline and Mysterious Disappearance. This great city declined after 1800 BCE. The reasons for its downfall remain unknown, but experts suggest several possible causes. 1. Natural disasters. Severe floods in the Indus River may have destroyed the city. 2. Environmental changes, declining soil fertility and water levels may have forced people to migrate. 3. Invaders. Some theories suggest that Aryans attacked and destroyed Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro remains one of the most fascinating and mysterious archaeological sites in human history. Its ruins teach us that ancient civilizations were highly developed and that even the most advanced societies can decline over time.